Welcome back, everybody. No excuses. How long does it take to touch up an already sharp blade to make it super sharp? Go ahead, time me if you want. We pop the hood, lift the blade set out, loosen the screw, cap iron or chip breaker off. You look over your edge. Spread the fluid around. Heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check for a burr. Need a little more here. Ruler technique. Face down. 1, 2. Check to make sure the burr is gone. Wipe your stone off. Strop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A couple times on the corners. Lay it down flat on your strop. Pull, 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 pull. That's it. Time's up. Super sharp. So, I don't want to hear any excuses. Well, Walter, I can't get my shavings like yours. Well, sure you can. You can do this. You can do this. Then you bring your chip breaker in, set it up for general purpose work. Nothing special. Not too tight, not too far back. Tighten the screw. Back into plane. Center it. Center your lever cap as best you can. Lock it down. Adjust lateral. And then you retract the blade all the way. And that's it. You're making super fine shavings. I mean, look at that. There is nothing I did here that you can't do. That's about it, everyone. I hope you found something useful and helpful. And you feel confident that in a matter of seconds. You can do this too. Oh, if you could just see and feel the surface of this board. That's it. That board is smooth. Like, subscribe, and share. Go out to your shop, sharpen your tools, make some shavings. Walter out.